Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to teach you three very important terminologies. These are fascism, autocracy, and totalitarianism. So at first we'll see fascism. What is fascism? Fascism, a political government, a political system, a political ideology where the country has following rules and powers. For example, the government will have authoritarian rule. There will be authoritarian rule, which means that a strong party or a strong leader will be present, which will occupy and rule over the whole country or state. There will be extreme nationalism. There will be no rights for peoples to have their inclusion in the political system. In fact, there in that state, the opposition party will also be suppressed. So we can conclude that fascism is completely like dictatorship, because in that state there will be one powerful party which will rule over the whole state or the whole country. So this is complete dictatorship. And another term is autocracy. What is autocracy? Autocracy is also like that. Autocracy is also likely synonym of fascism, but there's a slight difference, and the difference is that in fascism the powerful leader or powerful party will suppress other persons also, but in autocracy there will be strong powers given for the political leader or the political party which will rule over the country, but they will not try to suppress other, or that is not included in the autocracy. And the third term is totalitarianism. Totalitarianism, this term is also related with fascism and autocracy, but we should know that this is the intense level of fascism or intense level of autocracy, where the government also have control to the public and private life of the peoples, of every person. They will have censorship, they will take accountability of the persons. So we have understand that there are three terminologies related to these systems. First one is fascism, second one is autocracy, and third one is totalitarian.